Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about a problem that many people are facing in ChatGPT right now. When you click on Retry, you get an authentication error. Even when you try to log in, it doesn't work. This is happening because ChatGPT's server is currently down for some users, which is causing this issue. So if you're facing the same problem, here's what you can do to fix it. First, tap and hold the ChatGPT app, then go to Storage and clear the app data. After that, force stop the app and try opening it again. In many cases, this will fix the issue. If the problem still continues, make sure to update the application to the latest version and try again. That should resolve it. However, if you're still facing the issue even after updating, then it's likely due to a bug or glitch in ChatGPT itself. Many users are currently experiencing login issues because of this technical error. In that case, the best thing you can do is wait for some time and try again later. The issue will be fixed automatically once the server or bug is resolved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.